Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cordless electric screwdrivers. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a homeowner, or a professional, having the right screwdriver can save you time and effort. We've picked the top 5 best cordless electric screwdrivers on the market. Stick around to see which one fits your needs best. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Craftsman B20 cordless electric screwdriver. The Craftsman B20 cordless electric screwdriver is designed to make screwdriving faster and more efficient. With high-speed driving capabilities, a rechargeable battery, and a compact design, this tool is ideal for both professional and DIY users. Here's a closer look at its advantages and potential drawbacks. Pros: high-speed performance. One of the standout features of the Craftsman B20 is its impressive no-load speed of 300 RPM, which enables users to drive screws up to 4 times faster than traditional manual methods. This efficiency is particularly beneficial for repetitive or large-scale projects. Rechargeable battery convenience. The built-in 4V Max lithium-ion battery eliminates the need for disposable batteries, making the screwdriver more eco-friendly and cost-effective. The inclusion of a micro USB charging port and USB cable makes it easy to recharge, though users should note that a wall adapter is not included. Compact and portable design. Measuring just 40 mm in length, the screwdriver is comparable to a standard manual model. Its small size allows it to fit into tight spaces, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Additionally, its lightweight build enhances portability, making it perfect for on-the-go tasks. User-friendly operation. The push-button mechanism simplifies the driving process, reducing the effort required for screwdriving. The quick-change locking collet securely holds bits in place, minimizing the risk of bits slipping or falling out. Battery level monitoring. A 3-stage battery charge indicator helps users keep track of power levels, preventing unexpected interruptions during tasks. Enhanced visibility with LED lights. Integrated LED lights automatically activate when the screwdriver is in use, illuminating the work area. This feature is especially useful for working in dimly lit spaces, improving precision and reducing errors. Cons: limited torque for heavy-duty tasks. Despite its high-speed capabilities, the Craftsman B20 may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications that require significant torque. It is best suited for free-run and mechanical screwdriving rather than high-resistance tasks. The Craftsman B20 cordless electric screwdriver is a reliable, high-speed tool that excels in convenience, portability, and ease of use. Its rechargeable battery, LED lighting, and compact size make it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals handling repetitive screwdriving tasks. Next up, at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics cordless electric screwdriver. The Amazon Basics cordless electric screwdriver is a convenient and user-friendly tool designed for small to medium-sized tasks. With its cordless design, adjustable torque settings, and compact form factor, it caters to DIYers and homeowners looking for an efficient and portable solution for everyday repairs and assembly jobs. We explore the pros and cons of this electric screwdriver to help you determine if it's the right fit for your toolkit. Pros: cordless and rechargeable. One of the most appealing aspects of this electric screwdriver is its cordless design. The built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery ensures that you can work freely without being tethered to a power outlet. Additionally, the USB-C charging capability makes it easy to recharge using a standard USB-A to USB-C cable, adding convenience and flexibility. Versatile and ready to use. The screwdriver is equipped with a 4V electric motor that delivers speeds of up to 300 RPM, making it ideal for smaller tasks such as furniture assembly, light repairs, and general home maintenance. It also includes a 9-piece bit set and a bit holder, allowing users to get started immediately without purchasing additional accessories. Adjustable torque settings. With 3 torque settings and a maximum torque of up to 22 inch-pounds, this screwdriver provides control and precision for different tasks. This feature helps prevent over-tightening or stripping of screws, making it a reliable choice for delicate and medium-strength applications. User-friendly design. The 1/4-inch collet enables quick and easy bit changes, increasing efficiency. Additionally, the built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, providing illumination in dimly lit areas or tight spaces where visibility is limited. Compact and ergonomic. The slim and lightweight design of this screwdriver makes it easy to maneuver, especially in confined spaces. Its ergonomic grip enhances comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Cons: no adjustable speed control. Although the screwdriver operates at a maximum speed of 300 RPM, there is no variable speed control. This means users have less flexibility when dealing with different materials or precision tasks requiring a slower speed. The Amazon Basics cordless electric screwdriver is a well-rounded tool that excels in portability, ease of use, and versatility. It's perfect for light household tasks, furniture assembly, and minor repairs, offering a balance of convenience and functionality. Taking the third spot is the Avid Power cordless electric screwdriver. The Avid Power cordless electric screwdriver is designed to offer convenience and efficiency for home improvement projects and DIY tasks. With its powerful motor, ergonomic design, and a comprehensive accessory kit, it aims to be a go-to tool for homeowners and hobbyists alike. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of this electric screwdriver to help you determine if it meets your needs. Pros: powerful performance, delivering a maximum torque of 50 N-pounds and a no-load speed of 200 RPM. This screwdriver provides sufficient power for fastening tasks and light drilling on wood. Quick and easy accessory changes. The 1/4 metal chuck allows for fast and secure accessory swaps, improving productivity and ease of use. Flexible dual position handle. The ability to switch between a straight grip and a pistol grip enhances maneuverability, making it ideal for tight spaces and various working angles. User-friendly design. A forward and reverse switch ensures seamless switching between driving and removing screws, adding to the tool's versatility. Lightweight and compact. The ergonomic design allows for one-hand operation, reducing strain during prolonged use. Built-in LED light. The integrated front LED light automatically illuminates work areas, improving visibility in low light conditions. Rechargeable battery with USB charging. Featuring a 1300 mAh lithium-ion battery, the screwdriver offers a decent runtime and the convenience of USB charging for flexible power options. Rich accessory kit. The inclusion of 44 accessories, including screw bits, sockets, holders, and HSS drill bits, ensures readiness for a wide range of household tasks. Cons: limited drilling capabilities. While effective on wood, the screwdriver is not suitable for harder materials like stone, which may limit its usability for heavy-duty tasks. The Avid Power cordless electric screwdriver is a solid choice for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and light-duty users. Its blend of power, ergonomic design, and a comprehensive accessory kit makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Coming in at number 2 is the Skil Twist 2.0 cordless electric screwdriver. The Skil Twist 2.0 cordless electric screwdriver is a compact and flexible tool designed to make household and DIY tasks easier. With a pivoting head, adjustable torque settings, and a built-in LED light, this screwdriver offers convenience and precision. While it comes with several advantages, it also has some drawbacks that potential buyers should consider. Pros: adaptability in tight spaces. The pivoting head, which locks into 3 different positions, makes it easier to work in confined or awkward areas. This feature enhances the screwdriver's versatility, allowing users to tackle various tasks efficiently. Improved control and precision. Locking the head in place ensures better stability during operation. This is particularly useful for tasks requiring precision, such as assembling delicate furniture or working in restricted spaces. Adjustable torque settings. With 3 torque options, users can customize power output to match the demands of different materials and screw types. This minimizes the risk of stripping screws or damaging surfaces, ensuring a better finish. Easy one-hand operation. The forward and reverse trigger button is conveniently positioned for single-finger use. This user-friendly design makes switching between tightening and loosening screws quick and effortless, improving overall workflow. Enhanced visibility. A built-in LED light provides illumination in dimly lit areas, improving accuracy and reducing mistakes. This added visibility also enhances safety by allowing users to clearly see their work area. Convenient charging and portability. The integrated battery removes the hassle of replacing batteries, and the USB-C charging port allows for quick and convenient recharging. The cordless design increases portability, making the screwdriver a great companion for on-the-go tasks. Cons: LED light could be brighter. Although the built-in LED light is a helpful feature, it may not be powerful enough for very dark environments. Users might still need additional lighting in low visibility areas. The Skil Twist 2.0 cordless electric screwdriver is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners looking for a compact, versatile tool. Its pivoting head, adjustable torque, and LED light make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. And finally, our top pick, the Blackdecker L20C cordless electric screwdriver. The Blackdecker L20C cordless electric screwdriver is a versatile tool designed for both convenience and efficiency. With its dual functionality as a screwdriver and a rechargeable flashlight, this device is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. We break down the pros and cons of this compact yet capable tool. Pros: 2-in-1 design. One of the standout features of the L20C is its dual functionality. It not only acts as a cordless screwdriver but also doubles as a rechargeable flashlight. This makes it highly useful in low light conditions, eliminating the need for an additional light source while working. 3-position pivoting handle. The ergonomic comfort grip handle can pivot into 3 different positions, allowing users to work comfortably in various orientations. Whether you need to reach tight corners or work on overhead tasks, this feature enhances flexibility and ease of use. Built-in flashlight. The integrated LED flashlight is a valuable addition, providing bright illumination for dark workspaces. This feature is particularly useful for tasks in cabinets, under sinks, or other dimly lit areas where visibility is crucial. Lightweight and compact. Designed to be both lightweight and compact, the L20C is easy to maneuver, reducing strain on the hands and wrists. This makes it an excellent choice for extended use, especially for tasks that require precision and control. Cordless convenience with 4V Max battery. The rechargeable 4V Max battery ensures cordless operation, offering greater mobility without the hassle of tangled cords. Users can work without interruptions from frequent battery changes, making it a cost-effective and efficient choice in the long run. Cons. Limited power output. While the 4V Max battery is convenient, it may not provide sufficient power for heavy-duty applications. The L20C is best suited for light to moderate tasks, such as assembling furniture or repairing small appliances, rather than professional-grade projects. The Black Decker L20C cordless electric screwdriver is an excellent tool for those seeking a lightweight, dual-purpose device with cordless convenience. Its built-in flashlight and pivoting handle add significant usability in tight and dark spaces.